Okay, to sum this up, we got about a half a pound of wire, maybe a little bit less. About 3 pounds, maybe 4 pounds of wire, and I believe these little boards here have gold pins in them. There's quite a few of those. Got these with gold pins. There's another circuit board in here. I didn't take that out yet. These wires all have gold on the end of them. All these have gold fingers. Speakers, light iron, maybe 20 pounds, 30 pounds. About 5 pounds of aluminum rails. And I have the LED lights on these too. So I'm sure I'm going to find a use for them. And then this is plastic out here. That's plastic. That's plastic over there. And a big sheet of glass here. So we'll see how it goes with my reclaiming. Once I get enough to do that, I think I'm gonna do I might do a video on it, or just do it. I don't have any experience in it, so I might send it out. I'd like to do it myself and learn, but I need to watch some more videos. Oops. There we go. Watch some more videos on this before I even try it. I'd like to thank Moose and his buddies. I can't think of all their names, but I know I watch a lot of his subscribers' videos, so they've been a big help. Like, share, subscribe, and hope this video wasn't too long. Have a great day.